Good morning, friends. We may discuss a very common point, GST on the medical insurance provided to the employees. First of all, I may clarify that our government has made it mandatory for each and every employer to obtain an insurance policy for the workers who are not covered under ESI. That means the workers whose or the staff whose wages, salaries are more than 21,000 per month. For them, the employer is supposed to obtain an insurance policy, medical insurance policy, and the government has advised the insurance authorities, IRDA, to draft the best possible policies, to provide the best possible policies, so that it may not lead to an extraordinary burden on the employers. And for your kind information, this insurance of employees is made mandatory as per the provisions of section 10 subsection 2 of the Disaster Management Act 2005, but it is applicable only when the employees are not covered under ESI. Now the thing arises whether the insurance premium paid shall be allowed as expense in income tax to the employers. The answer is yes. And whether this insurance premium paid by the employer for the employee will be added to the income of the employee, the answer is no. Now, what about the GST charged by the insurance companies on the said insurance premium? It is very clear that any expense incurred for furtherance of the business, input on the same is allowed under GST Act. Since the medical insurance of the employees is made mandatory and premium has to be borne by employers, the input of the GST on the said premium paid by the employers shall certainly be allowed as input under the GST Act if the employer recovers some amount from the employees. Then input on that portion of the premium shall not be allowed. Otherwise, every registered assessee is entitled to claim input on the insurance premium paid for the medical insurance of the employees. And there is a humanitarian ground also for the same. Suppose a worker or a staff who is dedicated, devoted to us, and if something wrong happens to him or her, it is our duty to provide good medical care. Hence, to cover up that sort of instances, our government has made it mandatory under the Disaster Management Act